A caliper is a precision measuring tool used in various fields such as engineering, woodworking, metalworking, and medicine. It consists of two hinged legs, one fixed and one movable, with calibrated scales or digital readouts for accurate measurement of dimensions such as length, width, and depth. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best calipers you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Adoric Digital Caliper. The Adoric Digital Caliper stands as a fundamental instrument suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Boasting a measurement span of 0 to 6 inch or 0 to 150 millimeters and an impressive precision of plus or minus 0.2 mm/0.01. It promises exact results for diverse household and DIY ventures. Its generously sized LCD ensures clarity in readings, while the auto-off feature preserves battery life for extended usage. Offering 4 measurement modes encompassing inner and outer diameter, depth, and step measurements, this caliper caters to a broad spectrum of applications. Fashioned from high-quality plastic materials, the caliper assures longevity without compromising accuracy. Its zero-setting function facilitates effortless calibration at any point, simplifying the transition between measurements. Swiftly toggling between inches and millimeters is achievable through the user-friendly inch/mm conversion button. Number 6. Mitutoyo 500-196-30. The Mitutoyo 500-196-30 has a premium option for long-term usage. It has a very high accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. You can measure up to 150 millimeters with this caliper that is pretty much standard for digital calipers. The digital screen on the front will display the result in both metric units as well as inches for versatile operation. As you can see in the title, it has an advanced on-site sensor that provides an electromagnetic inductive sensor to avoid dirt, oil, or water for the operation. You will also get a protective case for the caliper to prevent it from any damage while traveling around. There is a 1-year warranty period given by Mitutoyo. The smart design allows you to set 0 with an easy touch of a button and start a new measurement at any point of the scale, ideal for differential measuring. Number 5. VINCA DCLA 1205. The VINCA DCLA 1205 has a great-looking finish along with clearly visible digits on the scale. Talking about the range, it can provide resolution for up to 300 mm long objects with an accuracy of 0.04 mm. You will not have to calibrate the digital caliper as it is already calibrated out of the box. It also features an RS-232 data transfer port that can be used to store the results directly into your computer while operating. You also get a special VINCA DTCR03 cable for data transfer included in the package. There is a year of manufacturer's warranty along with this digital caliper. Each digital caliper has been fully calibrated before ready to sell, and no calibration certificate included in this model. Number 4. NEIKO 01407A. The NEIKO 01407A is highly praised for its accuracy and ease of use across various industries. Constructed from polished stainless steel, it ensures smooth sliding and precise positioning. The caliper features a quick change button that allows for easy switching between inch, fraction, and millimeter modes, simplifying conversions. With a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches, 0 to 150 millimeters, and an accuracy of 0.001 inches, 0.02 millimeters, it delivers precise readings for all your measurement needs. This digital caliper has a large LCD screen for clear measurements, making your work more efficient and accurate. It can measure inside, outside, depth, and step with 2 sets of jaws and a probe. The caliper is splash and dust resistant, ensuring durability in tough environments. It comes with a great portable case for easy storage and transportation. Number 3. Jiavarry Digital Caliper. The Jiavarry Digital Caliper is a reliable measuring tool suitable for a range of uses. Made from tough stainless steel, It's waterproof and dirt-proof, built to last longer than plastic or carbon fiber calipers. It measures up to 6 inches, 150 millimeters, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches, 0.02 millimeters, ensuring precise results. Its smart design lets you set zero and start new measurements anywhere on the scale, perfect for comparing sizes. This digital caliper has 4 measurement modes for inside and outside diameter, depth, and step measurements with 2 sets of jaws and a probe. It easily switches between inches, fractions, and millimeters with the unit conversion button. The large LCD screen ensures easy readability even in bright conditions. It also automatically turns off after 5 minutes of non-use to save power, making it efficient and convenient for everyday use. Number 2. Qfun Caliper Measuring Tool. The Qfun Caliper Measuring Tool is a standout item. Crafted from stainless steel, it's tough, waterproof, and resistant to rust, ensuring durability. Its range of 0 to 6 inches, 0 to 150 millimeters, and accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches, 0.02 millimeters, ensure precise measurements. This digital caliper effortlessly switches between inch and millimeter measurements. Its large LCD screen ensures clear readings, even in dim settings. Plus, it's energy efficient, thanks to its auto-off feature, conserving battery life. With 2 sets of jaws and a probe, it tackles inside, outside, depth, and step measurements with ease. It comes with a handy storage case, perfect for pros and hobbyists alike. Qfun digital caliper always been used professionals and hobbyists alike by jewelers, hobbyists, woodworkers, machinists, DIY, automotive mechanics and more. Number 1. Kynup Caliper Measuring Tool. The Kynup Caliper Measuring Tool has a measurement range of 0.6 foot/0 to 150 millimeters, accuracy to plus or minus 0.001 inch/0.02 mm and resolution to 0.0005/0.01 mm. Perfect and accurate caliper measuring tool for household or DIY measurement. Please choose stainless steel caliper measuring tool for more accurate measuring. You can switch 3 different readings with the micrometer caliper, inch, mm and fraction based on your habits with the push of a button. Press the on-off button, slide the digital dial caliper to anywhere, then you can read the values on the display. And you can reset it to 0 by 0 button. The body of the dial caliper measuring tool is constructed using finely polished stainless steel with a knurled thumb roller and locking screw that ensures smooth sliding and accurate positioning when taking measurements. Kynup vernier caliper comes with 2 sets of jaws and a probe, which are easy to measure depth, step, external and internal diameter, making all your objects measurable. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.